Y'all, a quick review on how to find the report that you can add to your annual report that breaks down the operational days and your utilization days. So here I am in MFP, I've logged in, I'm in schedule construction. So you navigate to schedule construction using the waffle button here, schedule construction. Then you make sure this blue box says schedule, you find your ship here, we'll choose a Sikuliak. And then the year you want to make sure. So this, if we export now, we'll export 2022. So we click export and we say funding and day breakdown. That'll get downloaded into your exports folder, I'm assuming, or your downloads folder. Now if we want to do that for 2023, we simply scroll over and see where it says 2023 here. Again, schedule, Sikuliak, export, and then funding and day breakdown. It gets downloaded and it has a nice Excel report that you can cut and paste into a Word document. That's all for now.